Hi, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change font size in Word. There are several different ways that you can change your font size, and you don't have to just change the font size of your current text. You can change your whole document, you can change the text you're about to type, or you can change small amounts of your text at once. So let's get started. I just have some default text here. And what I'm going to do is just to firstly show you how I would change the size of a selection of my text. So I'm just going to click and drag and highlight an element of my text. Let's just zoom in. And then if we go to the Home tab up here, and then go down to this selection of icons here. And all of this relates to your fonts, font sizes, and formatting of those fonts. So this is your font, and if you click on the drop down you'll see that there are huge amounts of fonts to choose from, and we'll come back to that shortly because it is important to ensure that your font is selected before your font size. This next icon here refers to the current font size that you have selected or in your document, and there's a drop down here that reveals a number of different options you can select from. So we're currently on 12, but we can go down and make our font smaller. We go right down to 5. You can see how small our text is. And then if we go right up to 72, you can see just how big the text is there. The other way that you can change your font size is to highlight this number here and then actually type in the font size that you need and just press enter. So as this drop-down menu reveals, there's a large jump between 36, 48 and 72, but you can have a font size of 37, 38, etc. and beyond 72. So I can type in 150 if I wanted to, and my font size would be pretty big. I'll just return to 12. Now the next way to increase or decrease your font size is by using these two icons here. So sometimes you don't know what font size you need, you just need to fit it into a certain area of your document, or let's say it's in a table. So what you can do is you can click on this Increase Font Size tab, and it will increase your font size according to this drop down here. So as I hit this icon here, I go up to 14, 16, 18 and so on and so forth until you get to 72. So I can just keep increasing my text until I see that it fits into my document the way I want it to. In the same way, you can use decrease font size and simply decrease the font size of your text until it suits your needs. So that's a selection of our document. You can also go ahead and select your entire document. So all you need to do is hit the Command or Control key on a PC and the A key, and it will select your entire document. Once again, you can then make sure you're on the Home tab, go across to the drop down, and then just click on the font size you need. Now, one thing to be aware of when you're changing your font size is that every font has its own size. So for example, if I click on this font here, you can see that that's a larger font size with greater distance between the characters. So it will take up more space within your document. And we also have fonts which do the reverse. So if I click on this font here, you can see that it's a much tighter font with less space between the characters, and therefore this font takes up less size in your document. So it's quite important to ensure that you've selected your font before you select your font size. That way you're not going backwards and forwards to constantly try to reformat your document to get your text to fit where you need it to. In addition, if you're just starting out in your document, and by default it will be set to 12. You can begin by setting your font size, let's say at 20, and then you can begin to type. Now, commonly people want to put in a larger title. So if we just click on the center here, we've got our font size at 20. Let's do bold and underline. And then if we type the word title, what will then happen is as we go down to the second line, our formatting will remain the same. So if we were to go ahead and start typing in our document, you can see that that formatting is the same as the title. And clearly we don't want that. We want to start our document at the side and then with the text and font size that we want. So if we just go back to left alignment up here, then we can click on our font size at 12, click off bold and underline, and then we can just simply start typing our document. And finally, don't forget that you don't have to change the font size of an entire word. You can just change the font size of a character. So if I just highlight one character and then go to the increase font size tool up here, and then I can just click on it, and as you can see, just that one character will change in size. So I hope this quick video has helped. If it has, please subscribe and have a great day.